Hi y'all, it's Karen. I'm back to share a summer dessert recipe video. I posted this first a while back. I think I called it Amazing Ice Pops, but it was using Maria Emmerich's recipe for cheesecake ice cream bars. She used strawberry. I didn't have strawberry, and so I made banana and loved it so much. I am now back and turning this into a Chunky Monkey recipe. So what I have here already put together is I doubled the recipe. So I have a block of cream cheese, a cup of almond milk, 3 teaspoons of banana extract, and 3 tablespoons of your sweetener of choice. I used that Stevia blend again that I used in the previous recipe. And it was very, to get the cream cheese melted enough to mix it all up. It was pretty liquidy. And so I've had it in the freezer for maybe about an hour, stirring it every 10-15 minutes I wanted to thicken it enough that so when I add the pecans and chocolate chips that they stay mixed in and don't just sink to the bottom. So that's what I'm going to do to turn this into Chunky Monkey Ice Pops. So I've got a 1/4 cup of pecan chips here that I'm going to mix in. And then I will also add a 1/4 cup of a Lily's brand of dark chocolate, stevia sweetened little mini chocolate chips. And let's see. Like I said, we'll start with a 1/4 cup. I don't know. I'm kind of playing around with this, so we'll see if that looks like enough. Probably so. So mixing this all together. And this is going, because I doubled the recipe, this is going to make the 4 pops like I made last time. And then I thought what I would do is put the rest into a little container and just freeze it. Sort of like having my own version of homemade Halo Top ice cream that I can pull out. And looking at the consistency here, it does seem to be pretty well mixed in and a lot of bites throughout. So I think I'll go with this. Depending on how the final product turns out, maybe I'll up it to a 1/3 of a cup next time, but I'm going to start with just a 1/4 of a cup of each and give that a try. So yeah, last time we talked about that it was really came down to less than 1 net carb per serving. And I'm looking here to see what this might add to it. So the chocolate chips looks like it adds 8 grams maybe total. So that's 1 more gram per pop or per serving. And the pecan chips, a 1/4 of a cup, adds 4. So split out over 8 servings, that's half. So I think we're at 2.5 carbs, not net carbs, but total carbs per serving, whether you're having one of the frozen pops or whether you're going to have just the scoopable ice cream. And that's going to be a little harder to keep it to a serving size, but I think, once it's set, I will divide it into 4ths and then I'll know, what a serving is. So anyway, enjoy. I have taste tested this. It is delicious, even before I added the nuts and the chips. So yeah, happy summer, and I hope you give this a try if you like the banana Chunky Monkey type ice cream.